nose. Show me your face. Good bunny. You happy today? That's what it looks like in the daytime. It's pretty silhouetted. Got ornaments down there to decorate it with later. You get more ornaments too, but that's some that I pulled out of mine. Get my little stars that I made. There's one there. There's one there. And there's one there. It's dress time! I decided to wear this shirt. I think the last time I wore it was when we went to Wilson's Creek. The first time. It was the first time that I went to Wilson's Creek. No, second. Wow, I'm so messed up. I like this shirt because it's off the shoulders. And you can see my tattoo in the back, which I do have a tattoo back here. Remember this little guy? I was playing with him the other day and I felt there's something squishy. Well, not squishy, but like, he's squishy. Hold on, I gotta get a better grip on you guys. He's squishy, but there's something in him that's not. Listen.
I've got a woolly bag.
He talks.
My name is Fluffy. Spring is sheer fun.
And then this one right here is my favorite.
A tisket, a tasket. Easter eggs go in a basket.
That made him like 10 times better. Okay, guys. I was going to ask a few days ago, but then I decided not to. But I'm going to ask now. Do any of you have a suggestion for a name for this guy? It's a boy. And I have no idea what to name him. I need some help. Does anybody have some decent ideas? Can you please leave me a comment and tell me what you might name him? I've been asking some people to mention me in their journals, like on DeviantArt, or if they would give me a shout out, and then I would return the favor to try and, you know, get noticed by more people on here. There's been 2 people so far who have helped me. One of them, which I've already told you about, was Frozen Paranormal Wolf. Actually there's 3 because Andy helped me too, and his username on here is Andy Michael Star, or was it Andrew? Not sure. One of the 2. Another one on here who has helped me is Horror Belly. There are X's in her username, so there are links in the description, so be sure to check out those pages. I've been asking some people on DeviantArt. I haven't gotten... One said that she will help me, so I'm just waiting to see if she, you know, when she will mention it, so that I can give her a shout out. And I will give a link to her DeviantArt because I love her work very much. She does wonderful. She's a model and she does really, really good. So make sure to keep an eye out for these people. You know, definitely check them out. They're really good people. And yeah. I love it, 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 I love it. Dad just found it at a resale shop. Hooray! I finally have an ugly doll! Oh, llama, guess what I found for you? Oh wait, you don't even have internet, so you're not going to see this. Well, guess what's being added to your massive pile of Christmas presents? Oh yeah! Wearing my awesome favorite pair of shoes.
Look, a grizzly lamb.
What?
Nothing?
Something in it, but it's not lighting up or moving.
Looks like there's a stain right there.
It might come off.
They glow, Daddy? Look here. Look, look.
Whoa.
There's a bunch of lambs.
Miniature.
And they like the really cute ones. Oh, it's a bumblebee thing.
They ain't cutting the wire though.
Yeah, and there's this thing that was on the floor.
The cat. Oh jeez. Look at the hamster thing. Oh. Oh, it's a chipmunk. Oh, it's potpourri. Look at the giant candy.
Golden retriever.
No, it's not.
Never mind then.
No golden. You think everything is a golden. Yeah.
Oh, look, little sheepies.
Anytime I see anything with Kirby, I always think of my friend Lewis. Look at it. Your turkey looks so cute. Oh, it kind of looks kind of sad too, maybe because his feathers got torn off. Wow. These are all pinned in there. Look at that. Look at that one, Dad. Look at that one. There's a bunch of the homemade ones. Oh, look, there's another one completely covered. Wow.
Oh, excellent.
It includes everything behind you too, then.
I don't see anything we need though.
I don't know what Xmas is. I don't know if I've heard of Christmas, but I don't know what Xmas.
There's a green one.
Yeah. Did you see the other one that's netted? It doesn't look right at all.
What?
The green and white one in front of you. Looks messed up on that one. Better watch out, Dad. That thing's gonna scoop you up.
It's alright. Give me a bucket for once.
Oh, they're actually working. Wow. There's something in there ticking. What's that? It's in your hand. What's that? It's moving. Look at that, Evie. Oh, it stopped. Look what Evie found. Turn it sideways. Yep. Dad says it's 100% chance of rain. Well, as you can see right here on the window, it looks like it's at about 2% right now. I can't figure out if it's clever or destructive. They sleep underwater. And I'm very, very glad that I'm not an elephant. It's complaining about a telephone. I'm gonna... Whoa. Oh, that is ugly, holy crap.
Wait, it's a clock.
Would you stop coughing? Even the viewers are saying stop coughing.
Oh, we screwed up the wrong one.
Okay, banana. Now I have to find the right bread. I have to find the right color. Does that remind you of? What color? What's the color remind you of?
Dandelion.
Dandelions. I think this is the right color. I'm trying to find one of those plastic things for making the Kumihimo bracelets.
These?
No. It's got little things in it. I've only ever seen the cardboard ones. But I don't want cardboard because everyone says they only last for like 3 bracelets. Evie's in my way. It would look like this, except plastic. I could never find them. Evie keeps running into me. I think she's right there. I'm over here looking at hair stuff. So there's a specific kind of clip thing that I'm looking for. I don't know if they're going to have it. I don't know what it's called. It's like a barrette, but it's got those things on it. So let me just see if I can find those. I don't know if they'll have them. Robots. See, lions and tigers. But no bears. At least none that I can see. They're furries. Sheep. And a sheepy. Yay! Turtle. Turtles always remind me of Caters. Run 7 now. Poke. 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 Oh. How dare you poke the audience? I'm sorry she poked you. I hope it didn't hurt. Dinner idea. I'm thinking so. This is the Happy Book, volume number 3. Because this is the volume 3. It's full of stuffs, all kinds of stuffs. Would you guys like to randomly see some pages and stuff that I have put into my Happy Book? If so, let me know. Please leave a comment and let me know. I like my chili with sour cream, usually with a lot of cheese, but we don't have any cheese. Seriously, there is 0 cheese in this household, and it is driving me nuts. Took these off my purse earlier because there was like a ton of them. Because my purse is completely coated in them. So yeah, took them off. Decided I didn't need that many. Really? I think this one's my favorite though. Crap, oh yeah, okay. So how I was gonna say, I forgot what I was just gonna say, but now I remember. I seem to be having an allergic reaction to something because right here, the glands that are like right underneath here, the one on this side is hurting. Like if I poke it, it hurts. If I turn, I can like feel it a little bit sore, but if I poke it, it hurts. I know. Well, if you're poking it, it hurts, then stop poking it, but whatever. Grandma gave me permission to light a candle, but I don't think I can light it while holding you guys. I wanted you to see it then. Let's see if I can sit in it. Can you see it all? Yeah, you can. Alright. Let's see if I can do this, because I've never used these kind of matches before. Seriously, I always use the wooden ones. Ah, that's scary. Okay. After years and years of lighting incense, I'm not used to leaving the flame on. Candle, play light on the camera. No, I used to wear hoodies all the time. As of lately, as you've probably noticed, I never wear hoodies. I did keep this one out of storage. Yep, it's a high school one. I didn't get it from the high school. I got it from IGA. Up the road. It's IGA. I don't care what it says now. It's always IGA. I just figured I wanted to wear a hoodie tonight. Someone tell me what's wrong with this picture. I got lemon pepper chicken wings from Blaze. Good boys. Little Caesars. So I'm gonna try them. They're lemon pepper. That is so much seasoning sauce. Look at this. They are drowning. That lady put way too much in. Okay, so working on bracelet. Gotta get that done by tonight. So I gotta send it out tomorrow. It was the special order that I got Sunday. I'm going to be going to bed soon. Well, not soon, after I finish that. I have another shout out. His name is Fate Heart from DeviantArt. There's a link in the description. And big shout out to him because he very happily included me in his journal. Well, actually, he made a journal all about me and tried to convince his DeviantArt watchers to come subscribe and watch me. So, if you're one of his watchers and you're seeing this right now, thank you for coming. And I really appreciate you taking the time to come and watch my vlogs. And I hope you stick around to see each new day as it progresses and comes out. I hope you all enjoy this and that you have a wonderful day / night / whatever it is wherever you are. I love you guys all very much, and good night.